It seems like on any given day, a natural or man-made disaster is headlining all over the news. But what we don't see as often is how biotechnologies are helping to ease the scale of these catastrophes. Today, we get to explore a new technology that may help those in crisis situations. This is First Look. Antibodies are vital components in vaccinations, therapeutics, and medical diagnostics. And for years, scientists have worked to come up with a way to further stabilize them. Today, I met with Dr. Rajesh Naik, a chief scientist at the 711th Human Performance Wing, who explained the importance of temperature regulation for traditional antibodies.
So what happens is that the proteins will denature and they'll lose functionality. So that's why you have to keep it stored in those lower temperatures to keep them active for longer periods of time.
Antibodies have some kind of a charge on them because they have...
Losing functionality can get costly, which made finding the solution to this problem that much more urgent. Dr. Naik was kind enough to demonstrate some of the science behind this technology. On the left side of the screen, you can see a traditional antibody, and on the right, you see functional groups attached to it, which allow scientists to change their specific charge.
And this way what you get is a very concentrated solution within a given volume with less than, as I mentioned, less than 2% water in there. Right? And that is what makes those antibodies stable.
Nice to meet you, sir. I'm Arnaud-Marquez.
Nice to meet you. I'm Joe.
I also had the chance to speak with Dr. Joseph Locke, who played a key role in the development of this technology.
So being able to take these materials, transport them without any sort of refrigeration, any sort of freezing, is a really big deal, because basically then you don't have to carry these refrigeration packs anymore, or these styrofoam containers to keep your stuff refrigerated.
When you look at low resource settings or limited resource settings, I think this is a really innovative technology, because now I don't have to worry about making sure there's refrigeration units to maintain the temperature. So if you're a lab technician in a remote site, you don't have the resources to preserve these biomolecules, all you would take is get this packet, almost it's almost like an instant mix that you add solution and then you carry out your assay.
Increased shelf life and little to no temperature regulation means that this technology has the potential to save the DoD millions of dollars and change the very way our troops perform medical procedures in low resource areas. This is just one of the many ways that researchers at the 711th are working towards a better and safer future.